Hello everyone, hopefully this video can help you guys out. I got 2005 Porsche Cayenne base model, okay, which is V6 3.2 liter. It doesn't matter, it's going to fix all the Porsche Cayenne problem with when you have a check engine light on, let's say bank 2 sensor 1, the heater failed. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through what process to replace and check actually oxygen sensor fail or not. Again, this 2005 Porsche Cayenne base model. You using ODB meter, and if you see the check engine light on, there's a bank 2 sensor 1, which is bank number 2, which is on the downstream. All you gotta do is open your hook up. Okay. On the passenger side, that is your this is your bank 1 in the front, this is your bank 2 on the back side. This control. Okay. And that what you gotta do is open this top up, this cover up right here using your hand. Open it up. And remove the cover. Remove the cover out. And dig your bank 1. Okay. Dig your bank 1. Dig your bank 2. Okay. Okay. This is bank 2 sensor 1. Bank 1 sensor 1. Okay. This is connect to the connector and go to the front of your catalytic converter. Okay, out there. Alright. So using 22 millimeter, you don't need no socket whatsoever. Just 22 millimeter wrench, you can open it right up. Okay. Here the sensor. The sensor, the box number is the box number. Okay. Then using little clip over here, remove the connector out. For the sensor, anytime you see the heat element for bank 2 sensor 1, you using the meter, multimeter, put an arm, okay, and check pin 3 and pin 4, which is white and gray color, the pin 2 right here. Okay, make sure you have continue reading, which is the using meter. You put between, let's say, at least a 3.4 ohm. Okay, so which is I just done mine, and no more check engine light on. Okay, and reset it, or start the car, and turn on the car again, and clear the code, and that's all you have to do. Which is this is 2005 Porsche Cayenne, 150,000 miles. That's the old sensor, and it's working great. Okay, hopefully this video helped you guys out. Bye bye.